new 2020 GLE is packed with everything, really: safety, technology, luxury. If you know how to use the Alexa or Siri, you can use this. Hey Mercedes.
Setting the temperature to 79 degrees.
So very ingenuitive system here. You still get all the luxury. Hey Mercedes,
How can I help you?
give me a massage.
I'm switching on the massage.
So she just turned on the massage seats for me. Directions to 2100 Dixie Highway, Fort Mitchell, Kentucky.
The route to 2100 Highway, Fort Mitchell, Kentucky is being calculated.
So what you're looking at is called augmented reality. Basically, it takes live video feed of your current driving situation, and it tries to ensure you do not miss a turn. You see how that blue arrow just popped up on the screen? This is the best SUV on the marketplace. You get the best bang for your buck. It has so much more technology in it, I can't really explain to you. You need to come to 2100 Dixie Highway, Fort Mitchell, Kentucky, and ask for Jeremy, and I will show you.